Hi everyone, this is TenUp Copy Trade Tutorial, a platform where you can follow your favorite crypto trader for making profits in your trades. First, go to google.com and type copytrade.tenup.io. The website will appear on your screen. If you don't have an account, go create one by clicking Sign Up and put the required details. Now you can sign into your account with those details. Once you signed in, it will ask you for KYC. Do follow their instruction and complete your KYC to access the platform. After the KYC, the system will ask you to buy a subscription with your TUP coins so that the list of traders should appear on your All Traders panel. Once you buy the subscription, you will see the master traders in your All Trader option. After that, you will have to connect one of your exchanges from the available options. Once you connect your exchange and followed your favorite master trader, you are good to go. Just sit and relax and let the master trader do their trades and yours will be followed accordingly. Looking forward to hear your success stories with TenUp Copy Trade. Thanks for watching.